I wanted to create a beautiful sunrise. For that, I started with the four colors blue, white, and yellow, orange. I started blending it. So, the trick is when the color itself is wet, try blending all colors into each other. Similarly, we'll do for the yellow and orange. You can see how smoothly the color blends into each other. If you have the bigger brush, you can use that also, it will be easier. Now we will make the mountains. For that, we'll take the mixture of the brown, white, and black to show that the mountains are far. That's why we are taking the very light shade of it. And for the mountains which are nearer to us, we'll add more black to show the depth. Once the mountain is ready, now we'll make the grassland. For that, we am using the sap green, as you can see. First, we'll blend the green color, then yellow over it. At the corners, I'm using very dark green to show the depth. And now for the grasses, I'm using one old damaged brush and just dip in the yellow colors and tap on your canvas. It will give the grass-like effect. Now we'll make some bushes. For that, I'm using the black and the dark green, and we'll add some shadow also to show the grassland effect. And yeah, once that is done, we'll make some trees. For that, I'm using the pure black color, and use the tip of your brush, whatever brush you are using. And yeah, just tap 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 to show the tree. Now there are, we'll make the multiple trees. Now here we goes for the second tree. Similarly, create this tree also. Just tap tap tap, and similarly the other trees as well. Then add the light green over it to show the reflection of the light. Then we'll make the sun and some more reflection with adding the light yellow shade on the bushes. And in the last, we'll just make some white flower and the grass field. And yeah, our painting is ready. If you like the video, please like, comment, subscribe.